Miss Rooster Ebenezer Dobbins, I believe we are ready for the 10 inches of snow we could get. Do you have any comment? She could care less. You know why? She knows I'm ready. I am ready. Well, we got a bunch of snow coming. It happens every year, maybe once a year, twice a year. No big deal. It's winter. That's what it's supposed to do. People make a big deal out of it. What, you want to go out? Yeah, you better get you a good poop for, that reminds me, I got to put some cardboard down. So she has a spot that she can poop while we're out here. Got my propane running. 2 full tanks. And I had to go and buy a whole bunch of parts because I left this out in the weather all summer, and the O-rings, the whole thing, the whole pressure gauge was bad. Regulator was bad. I had to buy a new one. Put all new stuff on there. We got that running. There are no leaks. Got a full tank here for backup. I got my snow melt. I just came out and busted all that up with a hammer because it was a solid rock. This bag's about 4 years old. So that should tell you how much we get this kind of weather. Not very often. So that's ready to go. We gotta put some cardboard down for her so she has a pooping spot. What else? Got all my power banks charging. That is the last one. In case the power goes out, those things will get me by for a while. Also got a full cans of gasoline, non-ethanol gasoline for the generator, should I need it. Don't think I'll need it, but just in case. And the water has been on a drip. I won't show you that. I haven't done dishes. I made chili yesterday, but I've been keeping the water on a drip and running. Usually I'll just show you here. Usually I'll put that cup there, and instead of wasting that water, I'm running it through the SimPure. Yeah, and saving what I can. Hey, you'll hear about that in a minute.
In the past, getting good, tasting, drinking water straight from my tap from my well has never been an option. Until now. The SimPure Y9 water filtration system has been a game changer. Hauling heavy jugs of water home from town is a thing of the past. With the touch of a button, I now have pure drinking water on demand. The SimPure Y9 series water purifier is an instant filtration system. Compact design, no plumbing required. Simply plug the SimPure Y9 system into an electrical outlet and fill with potable tap water to be purified. When you press the dispense button, the system instantly filters and dispenses pure water to you, eliminating any wait time. Simply fill the 1.3 gallon water tank and follow the setup instructions, and the machine is ready to go right out of the box. I gotta say, it's sure going to be nice not to depend on grocery stores or kiosks that work half the time to provide me with good, pure drinking water. Now I have it at the touch of my fingers. SimPure has provided me a way to provide safe, clean water for myself and all my animals. If you are interested in SimPure, please click the link in the description of this video, and if there is a discount code, I will include it in the link as well. It has changed my life, and it could change yours as well.
So anyway, we've been living in here because this is the coziest and warmest room in the house. I mean, to tell you, that thing is a godsend. It just keeps it 71, 72 degrees. I've only got it set at like 68. But it's so well insulated in here. It just, you can tell I've been sleeping in here. I also bought me a new backup blanket just in case, but the temperatures aren't going to be that bad. One more cold morning, then we're going to be like 28, 30, so I can handle that. The snow will actually warm things up. I got the girls. Let me go out here briefly. The girls are so cozy. They love this new doghouse. They're probably out running around. No, they're in it. I hear one. Yeah, you guys stay warm in there, don't you, Millie? Yesterday, I came and I lifted that lid up. I had my glasses on. It steamed up my glasses. That's how warm it is in there. Even with that door like the way it is, it's warm enough in there to keep them warm. Got them some water. The only thing I'm concerned about, I don't have a coat on, guys. It's about 20 degrees. But the only thing I'm going to have to keep an eye on is this shade screen. We're going to get about up to 10 inches of snow. Wow, their water frozen. No, they got some. Well, there's wattles. They are full of feed. That shade screen, I don't want to let snow build up on that. There's maybe nothing I can do about it. May just have to order a new netting, which is what should be there. But if that's the case, I'll close that off. They're not going to come out of that. They're not going to come out of there if there's snow on the ground. So I'll move one of these waters in here shortly so they have water. Yeah, and Millie's going to help take care. That way they'll have water and they don't have to come out where the big amount of snow is. So, got the well house light going. I've got a spare bulb just in case. Well, yeah, it's going to be okay. Well, she's clinging to me like glue. What? Yeah, you're good at watching the chickens, except for when you let the possum in the other night. Got my windshield wiper set back, so I don't have to mess with that. But this thing is done well, and they love it. They stay in there. We'll have to keep snow off of the upper deck. Believe me, it's strong enough to hold it, but I just don't want it building up. So, go back in here. Ooh, I did get out these fake plants. I hate them. They're ugly. I think they got damaged from sitting in the boxes upstairs too long in the heat. I don't know. They just don't look good. They're all withered up. Maybe I need to water them, huh? And then it had these little ugly plants here. I was pretty disappointed in all of them. Yeah, we'll be looking into something else. That ain't gonna work. Now this thing I got built, it isn't painted, doesn't have the trim on it yet, but I can use it. And it's got the TV is just amazing. The quality, I sit in here, I watch my TV. I got these lights blue for the nighttime, It's real cozy in here, very cozy. It's just great, man. I should have done this a long time ago. And then let's go in here and see how Miss Lily Lou's doing. Let's get a light on so the folks can see you. So we're at 64 degrees in here right now. Yeah. Got her propane Mr. Buddy heat. We just turned that off. That ran all night. Kept it about 68 degrees in here. Now we're on her electric heater. I've put that down lower. She won't mess with it. And then she's got her heat pad at 112 degrees, and she loves it. Yes, you do. And you got your babies in there, Tiggy, Red Double Dog. Hung an extra sheet up, We're going to change this room up. It won't be like this next winter. It'll be much cozier. That thing creates a lot of... I should build a little box in front of that so she can come in. Have to be big enough to where she can turn and come in comfortably. But other than that, she's cozy in here. And I'll have to shovel a spot for her when the snow comes so she can go potty. Yeah, you like snow, though. You used to go out and play in it. Yeah, you did. So we're good in here. She's got a full tank of propane. We got a backup for her as well. So we're good. She's watching her shows. Her animal shows that she likes. Alright, I gotta go let Rooster back in. Wow. It is extremely warm up here in the loft. Wow. Maybe this would be a good little cozy winter area to hang out. Man, well, heat rises. It's all up here. One winter I did put plastic all the way across it was just ugly, you know. But the house wasn't done yet, so it didn't really matter. But I did put that plastic, and it kept that heat down there. But we're gonna get this finished up here pretty soon. I got to find a home for all this crap. I don't need those jugs anymore. Well, I kind of might need them. Since I got the water purifier, I don't need those. But I should take one of them down, and when that faucet's dripping, funnel it into one of them and save that water and run it. That's what I'm going to do. Didn't think of that. See? Now we'll do that, and we'll purify it with reverse osmosis. There you go. I brought this in. This was out on the deck. When the wind was coming, it would rock these chairs and just drive me nuts down there, sitting in that room. So I'm just going to have to keep this. We'll see how much it snows. I have to keep this clear, because I just don't want a whole ton of snow melting at once. And I'll have to turn the heat on the Starlink. I was hoping I'd have fiber by now, but the crew that comes out and hooks that up, they've got it run to the house. Then there's another crew that comes and hooks up the fiber into your house. So I'm just waiting on that, and hopefully that'll be soon. The rest of the house, you know, the snow doesn't really stay on it long. Don't have to worry about the weight bearing part of it, because, you know, it isn't going to collect on an A-frame. That's the good thing about it. Maybe a little bit there. It isn't going to work. I built this thing. I know how strong it is. So, but hopefully here in a few hours it'll begin, and by Saturday it should be gone. And I really just didn't have any kind of a video to put out. I did not film building that little wall thing, which I'm not done with. All right, just came down the stairs. Let me tell you something. 8 months ago, I would have to turn to the side and slowly work myself down them stairs. They were very hard to go up and down. I just zip down and up them now. I mean, well, my knees and feet still kill me, but now that I lost all the weight, them stairs have become pretty simple, and I don't have to worry too much about it. So that could become a useful area up there. I mean, how many sitting areas and how many rooms do I need? But it's there. And all it really needs is electric and flooring, and it's done. And that's it. And I do need a space to put some of these chairs that I have. I got, you know, extra chairs here and there. So, but man, this place is great. Did get the sound bar hooked up because it ain't really like the sound on that TV. It wouldn't let me turn on the surround sound for some reason. I don't know. But that's the setting I put it on when I'm sleeping, because that red color is, you know, the less, you know, you don't want a color like that brightening up the whole room. That would probably not be bad. But what I did, I mean, that frame took forever to build, and I built it right on the wall. And, you know, I didn't frame it out and then stick the frame on. I had to build it board by board on the wall, and there's an insert there, 2x4 studs all the way around this fireplace that it screws into. And as you can see, this isn't big enough to hold the base of this TV. And so I am probably going to remove this and put a 2x12 on here. And this is going to be painted the same as the walls, the same two colors as the walls to blend in. The only other problem I ran into, this fireplace, guess where they put the cord? On this end. Right on the end, which made it hard to put it in there because it's on the side. Stupid design. And I had to drill a hole to get the head of the cord through, the plug, which I'll fill that in with something, and then run it all the way over. And fortunately, I think the TV was the same way. The plug is on this end. So all the cord that it gives you, you know, I had to run a power strip. But no big deal. I'll work through those things. But I like it. The TV kind of leans back a little. I think it's designed that way. This is level, but that's the way it's designed for tipping. But you don't notice it. You just don't notice it on, when it's on. It just has a very, very nice picture. Let me see if I can turn it on real quick. The sound bar kind of gets in the way of the... Yeah, this thing's nice, though. It's the aquas. It's got all... Man, the color is just amazing on it. So I like it. So... Anyway, guys, just a quick update. There ain't much going on, but I'll film the snow when it gets here. It should look pretty cool on the mountains. In anything that happens along the way, but so far, no water freeze-ups, nothing. I'm well prepared for this one. So, thanks for watching. Happy trails.